Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial on the learning Django along with DivK Learner. To contact me, write in YouTube comments or email me to DivK Learner. So today we are going to continue about the basic programming code. In basic programming code, we are going to talk about. So in include, we have two things. Or what does include do is when if you want to include a template into another template, you would be using include, or to share a value from the parent template to the child, you can include it. So before I go into the complete uh, demo of this, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our videos, please click on the like button. And if you think that we can help anyone else with the knowledge or with the videos, please share our videos with them. So very quickly with that, let us just move over to the demo part. So I'll just open up my PyCharm. And in the PyCharm, what I've done is I have created a different page which is called div footer.html. In the div footer.html, I've written down the first tag as h6, in which I'm making the background as green, dark green, and the font color as white. So I'm writing down this is the beginning of footer. And then I'm looking forward for two variables, which is about and viewers number. So I'll just remove this part initially so that, or I'll just remove it from the demo so that it becomes easier for us to just show the values which we are getting. And then at the end, I've written down the same code in which I've written down S6, and it is taking the background color as green. So I'll just change it as blue, so dark blue at the end, and the starting would be green and the text would be white. So this it is saying that this is end of footer. So that is what we are going to see uh, on the section where this appears. So this is where we have written down one template, and I want to use it in a different template. So this is include. I'll just remove this part first initially, and then we'll bring it back. So I'm going to save it because my program is already running. So I save all and I go back to my page and refresh it. So you will see that when I refresh it, it becomes empty and there is nothing there. This is green in color, this is blue in color, and this is how we have called an HTML template from another template. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to pass in the variables as well. So what I'm doing is, in order to pass the variables here, I am writing down with keyword and about is the name of the variable, but on the to be on the right side, right way of or right way of writing the program, I'll just change this capital A to small a, and it becomes about, and that's the value that we have. And very quickly, I'll go into the other page as well so that it doesn't cause any confusion. I'll remove this replace this a with the small a as well. Now I'll just follow after making the changes where I've written on with about, which is the name of the variable. This is the value of the variable, name of the variable, and the value of it. I'll save it and say save all. And I'll come back to this page and refresh it. So I see it is giving me the email ID and the number. So this is how we can pass it with as well. So that's all the demo that I wanted to show. So with that, we have come to the end of our till this session where we were talking about the include keyword in Django. So I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, write in YouTube comments or email to divklearner@gmail.com. If you like what I'm doing and feel we can help others as well, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.